Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For all the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. I hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I obtain this cute top knot bun. I will be giving you step-by-step instructions. The inspiration for this hairstyle comes from all of this. Then please go and check out the channel. She has amazing content. If you like to do hair, nails, anything girly, you name it, she has it. There are other products that I will be using in this video for this hairstyle. If you liked and enjoyed this video, then please smash that like button and please don't forget to subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching. Time to slay this hair. My hair is in serious need of a wash, but I'm so lazy. Okay, to get this video started, I will firstly be sectioning off the two pieces of hair that I will be using for my bangs. Thereafter, I will braid the two bangs just so that it can be out of the way. Now, to moisturize my hair, I will be using some oil moisturizing lotion and some Moroccan argan oil. Then I will brush my hair and tie it up into a ponytail. Thereafter, I will apply some Kulisa gel around the perimeter of my hair. This will help with slicking down my hair and making it so much easier to make a ponytail. Now I will apply the braiding hair. Now comes the process of making this bun. I failed the first two attempts I tried because I kept on wrapping the hair upwards, but I was supposed to wrap it like underneath each other, as you will see in the next clip. So you firstly twist the hair as tightly as you can, and thereafter you start wrapping it around. Every new section that you take, you're gonna put it underneath the previous section. The last step was for me to flat iron my bangs. I did that off camera, and here's the final look, guys. I absolutely love the way this hairstyle came out. If you made it this far into this video, I thank you so much. I really appreciate you.